Who's going kayaking? You're so excited. It's beautiful out. It is absolutely beautiful and the water's so calm. We're gonna have a good day out here today, Penny. Look at that. High tide, yay. And Penny, looking nonplussed as ever. Here we are. Penny, kayaking. Or taking a ride in a kayaking. I'm doing all the work. But she's chilling out. Penny, really, do not drink the water. This is what she does. She goes right to the bow of the boat and chills out there. And it's nice because we got the current with us right now, so I'm just gliding and she'll chill. As soon as I start paddling, she'll stand up again. Look at her. Look at my little baby girl.